Hey everyone, in this video we'll explore the data science hierarchy of needs, a smart framework by Monica Rogati that shows how organizations move from raw data to artificial intelligence. Monica Rogati is a well-known data scientist and former vice president at Jawbone and a senior data scientist at LinkedIn. She created this hierarchy to remind us that before building AI, we need strong data foundations. The idea is inspired by Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Just like humans can't fulfill basic needs first, data science also grows step by step, from collecting data to AI and deep learning. First step is data collection. We gather data through sensors, logs, user content, or external sources. Without proper data collection, higher stages like analysis or AI can't exist. Next, we move and store the data safely. This includes setting up data pipelines, cloud storage, and ETL processes so data flows smoothly and stays reliable. Here, we clean and prepare the data. We fix missing values, remove errors, and organize everything for analysis, turning messy raw data into structured information. Now, we summarize and label data. We calculate metrics, group by segments, and create training datasets for machine learning. This is where feature engineering happens. At this stage, we apply machine learning. Simple models are tested, evaluated, and optimized to get better results through experiments and testing. Finally, we reach the top, AI and deep learning. Here, models automatically learn complex patterns for tasks like vision or language processing. But this level only works if all the below levels are strong. So that's data science hierarchy of needs. From collect to AI. Build strong foundations first and AI will follow naturally. You can find this particular PPT and the material for this video in the video's description. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more such content.